Hello, my dear students. I hope all of you are doing good. And here we meet again for a new session, right? So, I am Shudeshna, your IT teacher, okay? And we are going through this open office, open document, or you can say open office writer document, okay? So, we are going to start today's session, that is how to add a picture using picture dialog box and rotating a picture. Okay, in the last session, just for your all of your concern who has joined just in this session, not attend the previous sessions, and who has joined today only live session, we have already covered up to cropping images. Okay, right there I am showing you this one. Okay, now so up to this much I have covered, that I have explained that how to crop a image. I have also shown you in the open office document, right? Today I am going to show you rotating a picture. Now the interesting thing is, I have already told you in the last session as well, that we cannot rotate a picture using a open office document. So how can we rotate the picture, right? So students, keep on this station, keep tuned on to see how to rotate a picture in open office document, even if it is not having any feature of rotating a picture. But if I want to flip a picture, I can flip a picture. But if I want to rotate a picture in some particular angle, in some angular direction like that, I can't do that in open office document directly. But we have some options, we have some another options in open office only, where we can use some toolboxes and use some different options to rotate our picture. So let's see. Okay, here I have opened a open office document, you can see right here, and I will insert a image over here. So how to insert an image in open office document? Just see, insert, go to this insert tab. Now come down in this picture option. Let me do it bigger. I hope all of you can see this, okay? Right? Students, if you can see this, just comment me below in the live session, and if any query you are having, just tell me. Okay, so we are going to this insert option. Clicking in this insert option, you can find many options in a list format like this, like hyperlink, section, hyperlink, header, footer, all these things are there. Frame, table, horizontal rule, picture, movie and sound, object, floating frame. Okay, now in this picture option, from file we can add the image, any image, or from scan we can use the scanner. If you are having a scanner, students, if any one of you are having scanner in your home, or in wherever you are practicing in your school or somewhere, so if you are having your scanner, you can use the scanner as well. Okay, so just I am not having a scanner right now, so I am clicking in the open file option, and see, here is my image folder. Here I am having so many images. Okay, like these are the images I am having right now. So I will add a picture of beautiful flower. It's my favorite flower actually. Right. So this is the picture I have added. Okay. Now you can see this picture is very big actually. It is having a bigger resolution and it is having a larger width and height. Right. So I can right click on the picture, go to this picture option and open this dialog box. Here I can find crop, wrap text option. Okay. Other options are also there. Okay. Now in the picture option, I can do it vertically and horizontally. Right. But I will not go into this. If I want to do the picture property, sorry, if I want to change the picture property, just go to the right hand side. In your right hand side you can see there is a property option. There is a property option. Can you see everyone? I hope everyone can see it. Okay, here is a property option in the right hand side you can see, and inside this property graphics is there, color mode, transparency, position and size is there. So here I will change the size. That means I will change the width. You can see gradually the width is compressing or the width is becoming lesser. You can see previously it is 14.60, now it is 7.60. Okay, now I will decrease the height. You can see the height is also decreasing. See the changes, students. Now the height is 7.60. Okay, now I have made it in a square shape, and whenever this four-sided arrow will come, you can drag the image wherever you want it in your open office document or wherever you want it in your document page, right? And this arrow is called this arrow like sign is called anchor. This is the anchor of the image, right? Okay, now let's see. Okay, let me decrease the size little bit more. 6.50. Okay, and okay, decreasing it like this. Okay, one more way to decrease or increase the size of the image is to hold on this pointers, this green pointers. Can you see in the edges of the image? In the edges of the image, whenever I will put the mouse pointer on this green arrow, you can see I can enlarge or I can compress the image like this. Okay, these green pointers are the pointers to make your image smaller or bigger, like this. Okay, these green pointers at the edges of the images will help you to increase and decrease the size and width height of the image, right? And the four-sided arrow, this arrow will help you to drag the image anywhere like this. Okay, and you can see the image will move, the anchor will also moving. The image anchor, that is this arrow sign, this one. Okay, students, so this one is also moving, right? So you can understand that how it is working actually, right? Okay, now coming back to our main point, that is how to rotate a picture. So now I will rotate this picture. Okay, so what to do? Go to this select the picture, go to the file. Okay, and okay, just a minute. Okay, go to the file, new, and open drawing. Okay, opening this drawing option. Okay, now in this drawing, we are again going to the insert and the picture. From file, I am taking the picture again. Okay, here is my image file. In the desktop, I have an image file, and suppose I am taking, okay, this water lily picture. Okay, okay, now I am taking this picture as my image file. Okay, now here I could add a picture like from file, or just opening my open office document. Previous open office document is here. So opening this, going right click, going to the picture, selecting it, right click on it, copy it. Okay, copy it. Now going back to this open office draw, you can see open office draw in the title bar. It is written open office draw. Okay, so I will just paste the picture over here. Control V. Control V is what, students? That is the shortcut key of the paste, right? Yes. So I will paste the picture over here. Now I can rotate the picture from here. Okay, so how to rotate it? First selecting the picture, then you can see a round like shape has came in the this pointer. You can see the pointer. So always remember, whatever screen. Okay, sorry for the interruption. I just some network issue has came, so I just disconnected. Okay, so let's begin with that particular point where I have left. Okay, now I am showing you how to rotate a picture. Okay, so first add the picture in the document, and it is open office draw, right? Open in the open office document, we can't rotate the picture, but in draw we can rotate the picture. We can change the angular direction of the picture, right? So here you see, this is the picture I have added. Here a pointer has been came, that is a round like thing, and in that round shape you can drag it anywhere of the image. So I am keeping it in the middle of the image so that the image will rotate in the angle, and the center will be there. Means the in the center of the image you can see like this. Okay, now okay, let's go to the image. Okay, now This is the rotate I have selected, and here it came. Now a arrow should come, like a rotated arrow will come, and you can rotate the image like this. See, the arrow has came, and you can rotate the image in any angular position. See, the red marks has been came over here. These red marks or the edges of the red marks will indicate that in which angle we are rotating, or by which angle we are rotating. Like if I go in this one, it can be rotate like this, but you can see the middle point is fixed. Okay, because I have fixed the pointer in the center, I can drag it in anywhere of the image with this hand like icon, right? And if I rotate it like this, okay, sorry, yes, the red marks has came. If I rotate it like this, it will be a little bit different, you can see, right? Again, I am going to a one corner and rotating a little bit like this. Okay. Now it has came. Suppose I want the image like this. A little bit again I will rotate this to this side, like, okay, and a little bit more like this. Okay, here. So here we have placed our image like this. This is our final image. Now I will copy this image to our main document, that is OpenOffice org. Okay. Now this is the main original image, and in the side of it I will add the rotated image. Okay. Paste. Okay, just a minute. Here it has not pasted actually. Let's go down this document and let it paste over here. Okay, let the image paste in the last of the document. Okay, again going to the drawing, copy it and pasting it. Okay, right click and paste, and see the image has came in your open office writer. This is my open office writer, this is not the drawing, right? So in the open office writer the image has been pasted. Okay, I can make a caption of this image. Just right click on it, go to the caption. Okay, and I am writing rotated image. Okay, and okay, click OK. See, drawing one, rotated image, right? And if you want to go up, you can see the original image has been changed. Here the original image has been changed also, and I have pasted the rotated image at the last. So here also I can add the caption, like go to the caption and write rotated image. Okay, okay, now it has become the final one, rotated image. Okay, so I hope students you have understood the thing, how to do, how to rotate the image proper in a proper way in a open office document. Actually we are not using any feature of open office document, but we are just creating a copy of it in the drawing section, that is open office drawing. This is our open office draw. Okay, this is our open office draw. In the untitled bar you can see it, it is written open office draw. So in open office draw we are creating this rotated picture, we are doing this rotated picture, and then we are adding it in our main document. Okay, now in this draw section I can have several other features as well. Okay, now let's, okay, go here. You can see there are several tools in the lower section, that is line, arrow, arrow line ended, okay, rectangle, oval, text, curve line, connector is there. Okay, connector is very interesting tool. Okay, lines and arrows, different shapes are there, basic shapes are there, right? So we can use all these tools to draw any image. Okay, so this is layout. Actually, we are in the layout of this draw, open office draw. So open office draw is having some feature to draw in images. Okay, any image you can draw over there. That's why it has name like that. But in open office document also we can have not that much feature we are having, that is in open office draw, but a little bit feature we are having similar to open office draw, like the basic shapes we are having, like this symbol like shapes we are having. If you click over this small drop down arrow, this is very small drop down arrow, you can see, you can see basic shapes are there, like sun, smiley. You can see a sun. I have selected the sun and I have draw the sun over there. Okay, you can choose the color of it also. Okay, different colors can be chosen, right? Okay, students, I hope you are getting my point and you are properly. Okay, now the next thing is text. Okay, now I will select the text. See, this is very interesting thing. Let's discuss over that. Select the text, go to the picture, you can see a cursor is there. So I will write the flower name of the flower. Okay, okay. So if you don't know the name of the flower, just write flower, right? Okay, jokes apart, but this is called, in our Bengali, it is called kattagar and it smells so good, so nice actually. Okay, and this is like, if you want to keep a text inside a picture, you should select the text over here and you should write in the image like this. Okay, now I will go down and I will add some more text in another image, that is here we are having a image of a city like this. Okay, and actually it is not city, it is a cropped image, right? So I will write here, okay, text, go to the picture and writing here choosing text color white. Okay, okay, some problem may be happening. Okay, let's try on this image. Big, in this bigger image you will find it easier to understand. Go to the text, click on the image, a cursor will appear. You can see a cursor is appearing and you can select the text size over here. Okay, I am selecting 20 and the style of the text Arial narrow. Okay, and even the color of the text. Okay, like I am choosing some darker color over here. Let's choose green. Okay, so here beautiful. Oh, let's not write beautiful, just writing flower. Okay, so just click outside of the image and you can see the text will comes like this. Okay, the text will shown like this. It will not show any white band or something, but it will show only the text over here. Okay, so I hope this portion is clear to you, how to add the drawing tools. Okay, let's take a ellipse and let's draw ellipse like this. And if you can use the transparency over here, okay, you can choose any color of your shape. Okay, let's not draw the ellipse over here because it is covering my picture, my flower picture actually. So let's make it smaller like this. Okay, and here it is. So now I will fill it with a color. Let's say light green. This is the line. You can see the line, and fill color option, it is white, so I can make it orange like this. Okay, and even inside this shape I can use any text to write. Okay, so I can use a text like sample drawing for practice. Okay, sample drawing for practice, right? So here it is. You can see, you can also change your text color and text size. I have told you, even whatever you want you can give the color and size. Okay, so if I want to change the, sorry, it is highlighter. If I want to change the color of the text, say I want blue color, so I can use blue color. Okay, so first you have to select the text actually, then only you can do the color option. Okay, so already I have showed you how to do that, right? Now moving back to our PowerPoint, that is how to create drawing objects. So you can see this is a small note kind of thing you are having over here. You can go through it, view, then toolbar, then drawing. You can choose the drawing options over there. So again I am moving into the open office document. So you can see I have shown you the toolbar over here at the below of the page, but in the view option also you can see the toolbar, and you can see drawing over here. After bullets and numbering you find the option drawing. Okay, see, view, toolbar, inside toolbar drawing, drawing object properties, and drawing. So drawing, okay, the toolbar has been gone, you can see, because it is already there, right? So drawing, see, the toolbar became here. So as a default, whenever I will open office document, the toolbar is visible over here. And if it is not visible, this is the toolbar actually. If it is not visible, then go to the view option, go to the toolbar option, and go to the drawing option after numbering and bullets. Okay, and you will find the toolbar at the below of the page. Okay, and this is the toolbar. You can use this toolbar to draw different kinds of shape. Even you can draw a smiley also. You can see I am drawing a smiley. Okay, here it is. Here is our smiley. Okay, now you can fill it with color. Okay, Actually, there is a little bit problem happening. Little issue is happening with this document. So let's say I will changing the document, actually not using this document anymore. So I hope you have understood the options, that how to go to the toolbar or use the toolbar, drawing toolbar, right? Okay, so next, moving to the next topic of today's. Okay, so see, positioning image or graphics within the text. Okay, now positioning image and graphics within the text, this is very important thing to understand and to do. That suppose it is not like that you are having a document and only pictures files are there, or only text files are there. Along with text we have to arrange the picture also, right? So it is very important to understand how you will position of a graphic, and it is controlled by 4 settings, right? So one by one we will see all those things, right students? Okay, so dear students, keep focusing on this and try to understand this properly. So let's start. Okay, first one, arrangement refer to the placement of a graphic on an image vertical axis. Okay, arrangement controls how the graphics will stick upon each other or relative to the text. Okay, it will controls how the graphics will stick to each other, or it will related to the text. Okay, now alignment refers to alignment and arrangement. Two different terms are used over here. Okay students, so you must notice it. Alignment refers to the vertical or horizontal placement of a graphic in a relation to the chosen anchor point, right? So see, number 3 is anchoring. What is anchoring? Next term you will get is anchoring. Okay, anchoring refers to the reference point for the graphics. This point could be the page or frame where the object is a paragraph or even a character. An image always has an anchor point. Okay, an image is always has an anchor point. So I have showed you in the image file, that in the open office document, I hope you remembered that how that anchor point has been used, right? And how the anchor point is working there. Okay, that whenever we are moving the image, the anchor is also moving with the image. That is the anchor point. Okay, next is text wrapping. Text wrapping refers to the relation of graphics to the surrounding text, which may wrap around the graphic on one or both sides. Okay, be overprinted behind or in front of graphic, or treat the graphic as separate paragraph or character. Okay, graphics can be treated as a separate character or as a separate paragraph, right? Now what are these? We will see one by one. Okay, before going to the question answer part, we will see this positioning image or positioning graphic within the text. Okay, now alignment refers to the vertical and horizontal placement of graphics. Now this actually, let's go to our open office document. Let's go to this document actually. Let's close this. Actually so many documents has been used or open. That's why it is not working properly. Okay, now you can see whenever I will, now let's say here I will insert an image. Go to the insert tab, go to the picture option from file, and here I am going to use this flower. Open, and the flower has been inserted, but you can see the position of the flower is not correct actually. Means this flower is too big, the picture is too big actually, not the flower. Physically we are not having any flower, right? So this picture I have resized like with this green colored anchor, or I can say this green colored pointers. Okay, and this one is the anchor. I can hold the anchor to place the image anywhere, or I can place the image anywhere, the anchor will move with the image, right? This arrow like thing in the white box, this is the anchor. Okay, so it will helps you to move the image, or it will helps you to keep the image in a proper position of a document. Okay, right? Okay, students, if any problem you are getting, like if any technical problem is there, then please tell me. Otherwise, I couldn't understand that if all the things are okay or not, because there is some issue with the network actually. Okay, now let's do the things what we have talked about. Okay, now I will show you about positioning the text within the image, like alignment, vertical or horizontal alignment of the image. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, so here it is. Okay, now you can see here arrangement, arrange, alignment, anchor and wrap. Four options are present when we do the right click over the image, right? So after getting all this, so we can do the arrangement: bring to front, bring forward, send backwards, send it to back. So if I overlap a image, like let's say this image, okay, otherwise you could not understand it. Okay, so just right click on it, arrangement, bring it to front. So you can see the image came in the front. See the changes. Okay, now click on this image and again send backward. Okay, and send it back. Okay, it is already in back. Sorry, I am just clicking the back image. Okay, now clicking over here, arrange, send it backward. It is going in the backward, right? Now right click on it and going to the alignment option. That is the second one, our alignment option. So I will say it will be left aligned. You see the image has been gone in the left side. Okay, and this image I want it to the right alignment, so we will go to the right side. Okay, I hope you have understood this, students. It is very simple. Alignment, right aligned and left aligned. Two things. Okay, Next is anchor. Okay, there are more alignment: right, left, center, base at top, base middle, and base at bottom. So let's see, base at bottom means this base will be at bottom. Okay, I will see in another alignment, base at top. Okay, base at top, this much alignment should be done. Okay, for this image. Now the anchor. Now anchor is having several options: anchor to page, anchor to paragraph, anchor to character, anchor to as a character, sorry, as a character and to a character. Two different things are there. When you apply it, you will get to understand. Okay, now it is the anchor has been done to the paragraph. If I do it in the page, so you can see how it works. The anchor has gone into the page, and the full page, I can move the full page, or I can arrange alignment or arrange the full page with this anchor, with the help of this anchor. But I don't want it, so I want to change it. So again, go to the anchor, do it to the paragraph, and it will become to the paragraph. Okay, the most knowing case is that, or the most frequent we use this alignment of an image or anchor of an image to a paragraph. It is very convenient to use the alignment, or the, sorry, not the alignment, the anchor is to the paragraph. Okay, see, the for this image the anchor has gone in the page. Okay, in the page, but for this image the anchor is still in the paragraph. Okay, so whenever you want to see where is the anchor of the image, just right click on it, go to the anchor option, see, to the page or to the paragraph. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, now next thing is wrap text. Okay, wrap text. So I have to write some text over here. So just I am writing a sentence. I am a computer science teacher. I love to teach. Okay, I love to teach. That's it. Okay. Here is an image, or this is a clip art. This is a clip art. Okay. Now you can see the text has been came like this. Why? Because when I will go to the wrap text, it is showing you page wrap. Okay. If I say I will take this optimal page wrap, so it will comes, the picture will come at the one side, at the left side, and it will, the text will come after the image. So whatever I will write, say A, B, C, like everything will comes like here, like this. After the image, the wrapping will go on like this. Okay, and everything is left aligned over here. If I do the right alignment, it will be right aligned. All the text will be right aligned. So let it be the left aligned, because the picture is left aligned and it is looking very nice to the document, right? Okay, so this is the wrapping one we can do with an image with this right click and the wrap option. Okay, one more option is there, that is, first we will click on this picture, right click on it, go to the picture option, and this full dialog box or this window will appear. you can say here wrap, and you can find different type of mode in the same way that we have found in that particular option wrap. So I have told you two ways to wrap a text. One is using the right click and wrap text directly, and using the picture option and going to the wrap option after that. Here you can see the crop option is also there, right? The crop option is also there. Here you can see the things you can crop like this. Okay, so you can crop the picture from upward, bottom. Okay, see the changes has been done over here. You can do the changes like this, isn't it? Okay, so width and height also, the size of the width and size of the height also you can maintain from here. You can arrange it from here. Okay, I am giving it the original size and pressing OK. Now again I am right clicking over it, going to the picture option, going to the wrap text option, and here it is. Sundan means no wrap text will be done. Optimal means, let's say optimal and pressing OK. Optimal means this one, whatever we are having right now. And again if I go to the picture option, and before the picture the text will be there, and after the picture the text will be there. So I am doing it after. Okay, now pressing OK, same thing will appear. Actually the picture size is very big, that's, and the text is very small, that's why. So if I keep it like this, let's the let the document will be big. Okay, so if I keep the picture smaller and the text will be like this, so you can see first the line has been came, I am computer science teacher, then I love to teach, then I have given here some gaps actually, so that enter has been pressed. So now you can see the wrap text how this work. Okay, this way the wrap text option will work. Okay, students. So this is how you can do your alignment of text. You can arrange your text and the graphical things. That can be a picture, that can be a clip art. Okay. You can arrange your text within a picture, or you can arrange the picture within your text. Okay. I hope you all of you are getting the point and all of you are understanding the things and also enjoying the session. Okay. See, if you will practice more, or if you getting interested in all these things, definitely you will score above 80 to 90% in this subject. Okay, now let us discuss some question answer. This is the last thing for today. Next day we will discuss some important MCQ question live, and all of you, I will ask you the answers, then I will discuss the answers. I will give you the answers, actual answer, correct one. So all of you will participate in that MCQ session and answer me in the comment below in the live sessions. Okay, so let's see what is. Okay, explain any four graphic filters. So see, explaining any four graphic filters is not very difficult task. It is very simple. Actually, we have already discussed that what are the graphical filters. So first, it is given here. I have written here invert. See, the things are very important. In case that is what I have included here. More questions will come from this mosaic, charcoal, like MCQ question. This solarization, you will see it tomorrow session. I will discuss some question answers. So invert, what is done by this invert? Changing the color in the color image and giving brightness in the gray style image. Okay, so this work of this is giving color in the color image and changing the color of the color image and giving brightness in the gray style image. Invert option. And the solarization option will increase the effect of excessive light in the photograph. Okay, The posterize option will reduce the number of color in the picture to make it looks like a painting. So posterization means it will reduce the number of colors, like it will looks like a painting image, painting picture. Okay, that effect, very good effect actually, if you use it properly. Okay, charcoal will give you display a charcoal sketch. The image will display as a charcoal sketch. Mosaic combines the groupings of the pixel into a single color area. So that's why it will looks like a mosaic thing. Okay, like mosaic tiles. May you have learned or you have seen in your house or in any of your friends or relative house, right? Mosaic tiles. So nowadays, people don't use that mosaic beforehand. When we are childhood, that mosaic tiles is very much popular. Okay, anyway, so now next question is explaining image cropping. See, explaining in this, sorry, the answer of the image cropping. Okay, sorry student, there is a mistake. The answer of image cropping is this one. Okay, so this is not a question of this answer. This is the answer of image cropping. Okay, so let's just discuss this image cropping quickly and then we will end the session for today. So image cropping is the process of removing unwanted part of an image. That is for sure you will understand, and I have showed you in the practical also how to do it. Right. So image cropping is the process of removing unwanted parts from an image. Right. And this pop-up menu will begin to crop it, like we will right click on the image and some pop-up menu to begin the cropping. So how it looks like, this is the pop-up menu actually. Whenever you right click this option I have showed you right now, we have done this wrap text, isn't it? And the crop option also I have showed you. Okay, in the previous session, if you have not attended the live session, just go and see the recorded one. Okay, so in this section we can do many things like keep scale and keep image size. Okay, so in the keep scale option we are having left, right, top and bottom options, even width and height also. And in the image size we are having width and size. So we can adjust the width and size from these areas by clicking the small downwards and upwards arrows. Okay, this small downwards and upwards arrow will help you to increase and decrease the left right position, the width and size, the width and height, percentage of width and height, and the size of the images also you can select. Even if you are thinking that it is not proper, you can click on this original size and you can get the original size of the image back. Okay, so here it is. So two things are there, keep scale and keep size. This, using this option you can crop the image without changing the size of the image. Keep scale option will provide you this, and keep image size means without changing the height and width of the image you can crop the image using image size. Okay, so two type of cropping can be done in OpenOffice, right? Okay, question number 3 and question number 4 we will discuss it tomorrow's session, and also we will discuss some more MCQ type of question related to this OpenOffice document. This writer, how to do the styles, or in the previous sessions I have done that, how to keep the styles on an text document, and how to insert image, just whatever we are doing now. So we will do it in the next session, and till then keep learning and keep watching our videos, and please like, share and subscribe if you like my class. Thank you very much.